Mumbai, a bustling metropolis, is a city of contrasts. It is a place where the old and the new coexist in a delicate balance, creating a unique urban tapestry. Amidst towering skyscrapers and bustling streets lies a site both intriguing and timeless, Dhobi Ghat. This iconic open-air laundromat is a living testament to Mumbai's rich history and cultural diversity. This open-air laundromat, spread over 10 acres, is an integral part of Mumbai's fabric. It is not just a place for washing clothes, but a symbol of the city's enduring spirit and resilience. Here, thousands of dhobis, the traditional washermen, tirelessly work their magic, transforming soiled linen into crisp, clean clothes. Their dedication and hard work are evident in every piece of fabric they handle. The sheer scale of the operation is awe-inspiring. With hundreds of wash pens and countless workers, Dhobi Ghat operates like a well-oiled machine day in and day out. Rows upon rows of concrete wash pens are filled with soapy water where clothes are scrubbed, pounded and rinsed. The rhythmic sounds of washing create a unique symphony that echoes through the air. A network of bamboo poles crisscross overhead, creating a temporary sky of drying laundry that stretches as far as the eye can see. The vibrant colors of the clothes add a splash of life to the scene. Dhobi Ghat is a testament to the city's resilience and its ability to hold on to tradition in the face of modernity. It stands as a bridge between the past and the present, a living, breathing part of Mumbai's soul. Dhobi Ghat's roots reach back to 1890, during the British colonial era. Established as a designated area for washermen, it quickly became an indispensable part of the city's life. Over the decades, the dhobis, primarily hailing from the state of Maharashtra, have passed down their trade through generations. Each wash pen bears witness to countless hours of toil and the legacy of generations. The methods, though evolving, still retain their traditional charm. Dhobi Ghat is a living testament to Mumbai's past, a place where time seems to have stood still. Dawn breaks over Mumbai, casting a warm glow over the city. The streets begin to stir as the first light of day touches the bustling metropolis. At Dhobi Ghat, a new day begins. This iconic open-air laundromat comes to life with the break of dawn. The dhobis, their day starting before sunrise, collect laundry from homes and hotels across the city. They navigate the narrow lanes with their heavy loads, a daily ritual that has been passed down through generations. The air fills with the rhythmic sounds of scrubbing and the clatter of clothes being beaten against the concrete wash pens. It's a symphony of hard work and dedication. Each garment undergoes a meticulous process, sorting, soaking, scrubbing, rinsing, starching and drying. Every step is crucial to ensure the clothes are spotless and fresh. The dhobis' expertise is evident in their ability to handle different fabrics and remove even the most stubborn stains. Their skill and attention to detail are unmatched. The rhythmic efficiency of their movements is captivating, a testament to their years of experience. Each dhobi moves with a purpose, contributing to the seamless operation of this unique laundry ecosystem. Dhobi Ghat is more than just a laundry. It is a living, breathing entity that embodies the essence of Mumbai. It is the heartbeat of Mumbai, a place where the city's pulse can be felt in every corner. It provides livelihoods for thousands of dhobis and their families who have been working here for generations. The community spirit is strong, with a shared sense of purpose and camaraderie that binds them together. Tourists flock to witness this unique spectacle, contributing to the local economy and bringing global attention. Dhobi Ghat has been featured in numerous films and documentaries, captivating audiences worldwide with its charm. It is a symbol of Mumbai's indomitable spirit, a place where tradition and modernity coexist in harmony. However, challenges remain. Rising water scarcity, competition from modern laundromats and the changing urban landscape. The lure of more lucrative professions also poses a threat to this age-old tradition. The future of Dhobi Ghat hangs in the balance as it navigates the challenges of a rapidly changing world, but its legacy, rich with history and culture, will forever be etched in the heart of Mumbai.